Hi, this is Deepika. Hope you're doing well. So, the information that I'm going to share with you now is going to be of tremendous benefit to the blue collar workers at your home or at your workplace. So, by blue collar workers, I mean your maid, your cooks, cleaning staff, drivers, etc. So, please pass on this information to them. So, did you know that less than 20% of the entire Indian population has a life cover? So, keeping this in mind, our Indian government, that is the central government of India, launched two social security schemes way back in the year 2015. So, they are Pradhan Mantri Suraksha bima yojana and Pradhan Mantri Jeevanjyoti bima yojana. So, these two schemes offer triple insurance cover, that is, accidental death and disability cover, and also a life cover of rupees 2 lakhs each. So, let me explain to you in detail about the schemes. So, let's get started. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana is an insurance against accidental death and disability available to anyone between the age of 18 and 70 years. In case of death due to accident, the amount of cover is rupees 2 lakhs, while for partial disability arising out of an accident, the claim amount is rupees 1 lakh. Partial disability includes loss of eyesight, hands, legs, etc. Now you get this cover of rupees 2 lakhs by just paying a premium of rupees 12 per annum. Yes, you heard it right. Just by paying a premium of rupees 12 per annum, you get an accidental death and disability cover of rupees 2 lakh. Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana is another Government of India scheme for social benefit that provides a term life cover of rupees 2 lakhs for a premium of rupees 330 per annum, 330 per annum. So anyone between the age of 18 and 50 years are eligible to apply for this policy. However, if you've already taken the policy, you can continue to renew the policy up to the age of 55. So one cannot take a fresh policy after the age of 50. So, again, it is a term life policy that covers death due to natural cause. So, all savings bank account holders in the participating banks will be entitled to join for both the schemes. In case you have multiple bank accounts, savings bank account, then you would be eligible to join for the scheme through only one savings bank account. And Aadhaar would be the primary KYC for the bank account. Now, to enroll for both these schemes or separately, a one time payment has to be made automatically from your bank account, and no cash payment is allowed. So, only electronic payment is allowed. So, the coverage for both the schemes starts from June 1st and ends by 31st May, which means you can still take a policy after June 1st, but you will have to pay the entire year's premium. So, you have to ensure that the policy is renewed each year by paying the required premium. So the premium will be auto debited from your account and you need not worry about it every year. But all that you have to do is to ensure that there is a minimum balance of rupees 500 lying in your savings bank account in the month of May every year. You will still get a notification from your bank account asking you to keep to maintain a balance of 500 so that your policy gets renewed automatically. Suppose you don't have sufficient balance, then the policy will get terminated. Now, the risk cover under Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana is applicable only after the first 45 days of enrollment. However, for death due to accidents, the coverage is still applicable. Now, to settle claims, the nominee of the insured is supposed to approach the bank wherein the insured was having the savings bank account through which he or she was covered under the social security schemes, along with the death certificate of the insured. Now, the nominee is supposed to collect and submit the completed claim form and the discharge receipt to the bank. And after processing, the nominee will get the amount credited to his bank account. So, these are the details regarding the social security schemes. And if you have any further queries, you can write your queries in the comments below. So, I hope you found this information very useful. So, if you have still not taken this policy, please go ahead and apply for the policy. The procedure is very simple. You just have to go to your bank's website and check for social security schemes, and then go ahead and pay the premium online. And you need not worry about renewing the policy every year, because the premium will get auto debited from your account annually. So all that you have to do is to ensure that there is 342 rupees lying in your bank account in the month of May every year. Okay, and one more thing that I urge you all is to please pass on this information to the blue collar workers at your house or at your workplace, so you can talk to your maid at your home about this policy. It will be of great benefit to them, because the policy is targeted for people below poverty line. And please explain to them about the policy. And please, the as I have mentioned earlier, the payment is supposed to be made electronically, so help them in doing this, because they may not be able to do this. And one more thing is that if you can, please ensure that in the month of May every year, you pay them an extra sum of 400 rupees, so that there is sufficient balance in their account, so for the policy to be renewed automatically. Because if there is insufficient balance, the policy will get terminated. So please do ensure that as well. Thank you so much. You hope you found this information useful. Bye, take care, and have a great week ahead.